In this video, I define who a document controller is, their typical responsibilities, and the common roles and titles you will find in most organizations. A document controller is the custodian or person in charge of the day-to-day management of documents in the organization or in a department within the organization or in a project. In a sense, they are the gatekeepers with respect to documented information in the organization. Let us take a look at their typical responsibilities. The document controller performs quality and compliance checks on documents, ensures that documents are labeled with the adequate identification and traceability metadata when they are created. They maintain a list of document register for tracing and tracking purposes. They administer document management system or system of record. They file documents either in paper or electronic format. They distribute control documents to the relevant stakeholders at the right time. They publish document control progress and status reports. And of course, they champion the implementation or execution of document control strategy in the organization. Common titles and roles of a document controller. The title you will find in most organizations is document controller or DC for short. But there is also a title called Senior Document Controller or SDC. The difference is basically that the SDC has more experience. Another title you can find is the Lead Document Controller LDC or Document Control Coordinator DCC. This person plays a team leading role and they are usually in charge of setting up of the document control system, coordinating the activities of document control team, for example, vacation planning. The LDC is also responsible for creating the relevant control procedure or literature. In large organizations, you may also find document control titles such as Head of Document Control Manager, Document Control Specialist or Supervisor, and there is even a cozier variant of the title called Information Management Lead or Information Management Specialist. These titles are for document control professionals that handle non-routine document control activities, and basically they carry out oversight function on document control. Their responsibility involves budgeting for document control, recruitment and selection of document controllers, planning for training and development, recognition and appraisal of performing document controllers, compensation planning, involvement in management engagement meeting to discuss information or document management governance concerns. Having said that, it is important to conclude that the titles will vary from one organization to another. Some organizations will have one document controller who will double hat the responsibilities of the other roles mentioned, whereas in some large organizations, there will be more or additional document controllers with titles like Junior Document Controller, Site Document Controller, Corporate Document Controller, and even Vendor Document Controller. So the roles you will find will depend largely on the size of the organization, the complexity of their document control processes, and the premium placed on document control. So the next time you come across a job advert in document control, compare the roles and the responsibilities.